wicked cool. Do it again.
I'd love to, but Shamu is right. I really should be going.
No, don't go.
No, I should go. I should let you and the fish have all your fun conjugating verbs, cleaning the room, doing laundry.
No, you have to stay.
All right, I'll stay.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah! But if I'm gonna stay, there's something I want to show you. Something magical and full of wonder. It's called a contract.
You want us to sign this?
Just a formality, really.
Who are they?
Magical time-traveling elves. Yeah, magic. Okay, they're my lawyers. Liability issues, litigious society, frivolous lawsuits, you understand. Basically, this contract guarantees you can have all the fun you want and nothing bad's ever gonna happen.
All the fun we want? Nothing bad will happen.
No.
Come on, Sal, for once in your life, try something spontaneous.
Those against my better instincts. But fine.
Beautiful initial here, and here, and here. Not here! Turn it over. This is nothing. Scratch this. Smell that? Terrific. Yummy. Sign the bottom. Wait. Okay. Give me 5. 4. Let's get this party started. Uh-huh.